Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about HTTP caching. So different kinds of cache. Caching is a technique that stores a copy of a given resource and serves it back when requested. When a web cache has requested resource in its store, it intercepts the request and returns its copy instead of re-downloading from the originating server. This achieves several goals. I said the archives. This achieves several goals. It eases the load of the server that doesn't need to serve all the clients itself and improves the performance by being closer to the client. It takes less time to transmit the resource back for a website. It is a major component in achieving high performance. On the other side, it has to be configured properly as not all resources stay identical forever. It is important to cache a resource only until it changes, not longer. Okay. So there are several kinds of cache. These can be grouped into two main categories: private or shared caches. A shared cache is a cache that stores responses for reuse by more than one user. A private cache is dedicated to a single user. This page will most likely talk about browser and proxy caches, but there are also gateway caches, CDN, reverse proxy caches, and load balancers that are deployed on web servers for better reliability, performance, and scaling of websites and web applications. So for this example here, there's no cache. Okay, all identical requests are going through the server. So browser 1, browser 2, no cache. Okay, the shared cache is the first request is going through, subsequent identical requests are served by the shared cache. So the web server sends it to browser 1, and then browser 1 sends it to browser 1 and browser 2. Local private cache. So the first request of each client is going through. Subsequent identical requests are not even sent, but served by the local cache. Okay. So there you go. So that is caching. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.